Again, welcome, Skypilot here. I'm not doing a drive and live today, I'm doing an unboxing of my SG900-S. Picked this up recently from good mates at Banggood, about 120 bucks Australian. So what you got here is a little cheapy end market drone. This is a GPS drone, so it's actually good news, as you won't lose it as easily. So looking over at the box here, you got your normal gear here, circles your fixed point, as I said, GPS, position height, so it holds its height, follow your functions, Wi-Fi, 2.4 gig, 6-axis gyro, high def camera. This is actually the 1080p camera, this one, headless mode, and one button return to cap it off. So let's get into it, shall we? So like I said, when you open up the package, this is what you get. The drone feels a little bit light, as they all do. Just grab my trusty measure here, so the arms fold out and do a distinctive click. It's still in place. The actual unit itself is about 10 centimeters long, and if you work in inches, about 6 inches. End motor to end motor on the diagonal is about 10 inches, so pretty decent size unit. So it's got your 1080p camera at the front here, which is movable. Goes down to about 45 degrees there and straight ahead. I first looked at this drone when I got it, and I thought, oh crikey, there's no SD recording, till I removed the battery, which is here. So I'll show you guys what happened to me. Get the battery in. Sorry, this isn't rehearsed. Okay. So the battery goes in, stick aside first, clicks in place. To remove it, you just pull these levers down on each side, pull down, and it pulls out. So if you look underneath here, you'll see your provision for your micro SD slot just down in here, and that's all you got in there, which is pretty cool. Standard charging from a micro USB, which goes into here and into your proprietary USB pluggy chargy powers main thingy-majig. So this lights up green and red, so it just flashes, and once it's a consistent green, she's fully charged. Takes about 20 minutes, 20 to 30 to fully charge the battery. Stick it in there like so. Okay, what else we got in here? We've got a couple of buttons here, which I haven't put on yet, so I'll do that now. Get those buttons out onto the remote. And I assume they just screw in or push in. Just sort of twist in. There's no real way to get them on, just a twist and push by the look of it. It's a pretty funky remote. So what happens here is the antennas go up. I don't think they're really antennas though. I think they're just plastic things that make it look like an antenna. And that folds up and that folds up. So it's pretty funky. Probably not all of that for carrying, but yeah. So they fold up, and then the antennas fold out, which again, I can't see any wires in there, so I'm suspecting they're not antennas, guys. If anyone wants to let me know. Then you grab your phone. Your phone sits in there and sits up there, like so. There you have it. Hey, okay, that's pretty cool. Not bad. So this is really cool because it actually tells you what the buttons do. So your normal on off here. Before we go any further, I'll let you know that there's another package in this box that contains a white USB charger Get it out here. My big clumsy fingers. Ah, oh, damn. Okay, and on this charger there's a little sticker that shows you the remote control unit. I'll take my phone out. So this comes up under here and you charge it up via the same method as the drone. This takes about 20 minutes again to charge up. Not having the batteries in, the removable batteries, makes it really quite light. So that's pretty cool. So 2 chargers in the package. So unit, on-off button here. Looking for the signal, so I'm going to do that now. Long press to off. So this is your speed shift. So I imagine it has 3 speeds. We'll find it out shortly. Automatic landing. Start your video. Take your camera flash, and at the back here it has 4 buttons. 2, 3, 4, which I have no idea what they are, but I'll tell you in the GIF. So just finishing, you get 2 spare prop blades and your standard crummy screwdriver that nobody uses, and some prop guards that no one uses either. So yeah, cool. And to finish off, underneath we have a couple of manuals, one which explains the app, which is fairly detailed, fixed. So this is the GPS one, which is a lot like my Idea 7 that accidentally landed in a fire. If you want to just have a look at the link up there, that had the same GPS features as this one here, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, let me just get to these buttons here because I want to tell you what the buttons do. Okay, sorry, bear with me. So yeah, signal. This geomagnetism correction, that's left stick down to the northwest and right stick to northeast, and then you do your spinny aroundy thingy. So I'll do that in this video as well. There you have it. Feels okay, just okay. I do have the app here, so I might just... Okay, so you push the button, start it up. All red lights on the back, green lights on the front. That's pretty cool. You're looking for Wi-Fi 1080p, so we'll connect that. You grab your app, which is the LW FPV app, which looks really cool on the front here. A couple of towers. Okay, you whack your start button. Tips your it tells you your location. Oh, I'm running low on batteries, typical. Tells you your location's turned off, so you need to turn your GPS on your mobile device. So that's a 1080p camera. That actually looks pretty good, actually. This is the first time I've fired this up, so I'm inside a room at the moment, but the quality of that is actually looking pretty cool. So I'll be happy to see how this runs when we get outside next. It's getting a bit dark here, so I can't do it now. Okay, so it's looking straight across with the camera, so we'll point it on the 45 and keep that level. That's how it looks on the 45, so not too bad. I'm pretty looking forward to the quality of the 1080p camera. Should be pretty good. No worries. Okay, so there you have it. My next video I'll do some flying. I'll go through a couple of features and show you guys how the GPS works, how far she goes, how high she goes, and how fast she crashes. Awesome. Got my job's done here. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Thumbs up. Might see you at a driving live coming soon your way. Otherwise, yeah, thanks for dropping by, and I'll see you in the sky. Awesome. Bye for now.